Hi, today I'm going to show you how to DIY glass cleaner. It's more sustainable for the environment and it only uses 3 ingredients, so no harsh chemicals. So what we need for this DIY is dish soap, 2 cups of water, warm water, white vinegar. I just got some from Dollar General. It's pretty cheap. Peppermint oil or any other essential oil, whatever one's your favorite. And then a funnel to make it easier to pour in the bottle. And then a spray bottle. First, we're going to take a bottle. This is just a recycled one that I've already used. So, we're going to take the top off and use our funnel to pour a 1/4 cup of vinegar, white vinegar, with half of tablespoon of dish soap. And then we're going to dilute it with 2 cups of warm water. Then, so it doesn't smell as bad, we're going to add some essential oils. I chose peppermint. Add a few drops and then make sure the top's back on. And shake it on. And DIY glass cleaner. So let's test it out. So let's take our glass cleaner and spray it on our mirror. And take a washcloth and rub it down. And all clean.